wonder what to do with that stash fabric that you know you're not going to wear, or just want something pretty or unique to stash your gifts in? Well, let me introduce you to...
Stash bags!
Wait, what?
Stash bags!
Stash bags, got it. Yes, let's talk about how you can make your own stash bags from stuff that you have in your stash. I got the idea for...
Stash bags!
From Michelle over at Michelle Sews Again. And really, I think these are a great idea to put your gifts in. You can make them in any size that you need. And it's a great way to get rid of some of that fabric that's been hanging around in your house that you know you're not going to wear. I actually do like this stuff though. Today we're going to talk about how you can make one of these
stash bags
for yourself. So grab your spiked eggnog, your fabric, thread, needle, and some ribbon. Let's go. Quick note. If you've ever wondered if someone actually likes you, just check the inside of the stash bag that they've given you. Because if they like you, they'll finish the edges. For this bag that Michelle gave me, she actually serged all of her seams on the inside, and the inside of her bag looks beautiful. Me, I left all my edges raw. Why? Because I like no one. All joking aside, I decided not to finish the inside of my bags because, well, no one really looks at the inside. And the only reason why I looked at the inside of hers was because I wanted to see how much she liked me. So finish your seam allowances if you'd like, or don't like I did. And if you feel like you're going to get judged over whether or not your seam allowances are finished on the inside, don't worry, just save those bags for the teenager or child in your life. And trust me, they're not going to look inside. They're going to look inside, and they're not going to judge you on how well your bag is constructed. They're going to judge you on your gift. So after they're done judging you on the gift that you've given them, you can pick your bag right up off the floor and use it for the next person. Ta-da! Easy solution. By the way, I'm Maddie with Maddie Sews, and if you're having fun here, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think. So go ahead and cut a rectangle out of your fabric. Now for this tiny little itty bitty pouch, this is about 6.5 inches wide by, oh gosh, what is that? 3 times 2, 6. I don't know. Just like cut a square that's 6 by 8, and boom, you'll get this. For a bigger bag, you're gonna want to, oh, my ruler's not long enough. We're gonna say 16 by 44 with the fabric. Yep, that's what we're going with. Now fold your rectangle in half and sew up the side seams. Boom, boom. Now when you're sewing these side seams, keep in mind that you're gonna need to leave a hole for your actual strap to put in there. So sew up the side seam, don't forget to backstitch, but leave a hole partway up the top of your bag. Now I like to measure this with my fingers. So I measure it 2 inches, 2 fingers, these fingers, no, these fingers. No, maybe I use these fingers. It doesn't matter. Just pick 2 fingers, measure it from the top, and leave another hole that's about another 2 fingers wide up here if you're making a big old bag like this, and leave a hole there. Because what you're going to do is, you're going to turn over that top, and you're going to stitch it right on down. Boop, 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 boop. Now you have a casing with 2 holes at the top. Bam! Like that.
Stash bags!
Now that you have a bag with holes at the top, like this, it's time to put in your drawstring, or your ribbon, your bias tape, whatever you want to put in there so that way people can pull it shut. Just do it. You're going to want to cut 2 pieces that cover the entire circumference, plus a little more so that way you can tie it in a knot. You're going to thread 1 all the way around, coming back out this hole, and put a little knot in that baby. And then you're going to do one coming from the other side, around that way, coming up here, not there. And then what that does is it allows you to pull it like magic. And there you have us.
Stash bags!
Oh, and in case you're wondering, I didn't bother ironing any of my stash bags. And I think they serve the purpose fine. You can iron yours if you want to make a super beautiful one like Michelle made me, and you know, the fellow sewist in your life will really treasure it. But honestly, if you're giving this to family, kids, they're going to be looking at what's inside your bag and not necessarily how it's made. These bags come together extremely quickly, and you can use up all of that extra stash fabric that you know you're not going to wear. If you really want some good instructions on how to make these things, check out the information box for Michelle Sews Again's video tutorial on this, because she uses actual legit measurements and not the 2-finger measurement like I did. And if you're curious about why I actually have so much gold fabric to make a lot of extra
Stash bags!
check out this video right over here, and it's going to tell you how this stuff landed in my stash. And you all, until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.